Install PySpark in Google Colab. This will be useful for developers to learn or do basic Spark learning.
In this video, we will see how can we do some PySpark code in Google Colab. That's cloud-based. So for that, first we have to open the Google Colab, colab.research.google.com, create a IPN YB file. Then first we need to install the PySpark. So for that, pip install PySpark py4j. So let us install this. So it may take some time, a minute or two. So it needs to download and install. Meanwhile, I am once this is installed, I am going to read this freshers underscore data.csv in a data frame. So let's wait for a minute. So it downloaded. Now it may need to install the py4j components as well. So just the last step will be, so the successfully build PySpark. Let it complete its installation. Okay, successfully installed PySpark in Google Colab. So now let us start doing a sample code. So first we need for the Spark, first we need to have the Spark session from PySpark.sql import Spark session. Now it's imported. Now let us have the Spark. Spark is equal to Spark session dot buil builder dot app name dot in testing PySpark in Colab dot get or create. So let us create the instance of Spark. So once the Spark is created, then we can play around with the Spark. So meanwhile, I will just open the freshers data.csv. So this is a sample data that we are going to load in the data frame. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, let me open this. Df data frame is equal to spark dot read dot csv dot read. Oh, sorry, it's a read dot csv. Then I need to get the path. So click on three dots, copy path. Okay, now let us read this one. So the data frame got created. Let us df dot, let us first print the schema. This is one of the useful command in Spark. So everything is mentioned as string because we didn't mention and the header or anything, so it will just mention like this. Okay, now we will have df dot show 20 comma false. Now we will see the actual data which is loaded in Spark. So here you can see this one. This is actually the header. So while reading we didn't mention any header etc. That's the reason it is showing like that. So if you are going to mention header equal to true, infer schema is equal to true, then we will get the entire correct. So we will have this read again, spark.data.csv comma header equal to true infer schema infer schema equal to true. Now it should be the caps. I am reading this again. Now we will see the print schema again. So we will get the schema got inferred, all the ID, those kind of things we got it. Now I am going to print this again, df.show. Like we will see the header exactly. So the everything we got as expected. So this is how, so no need to install in your local PC, or you don't want an EC2 instance or a EMR for to start with the Spark. This is an easy way that you can work with the Spark. So once this session is closed, then you may need to do this pip install PySpark py4j again, then only you can work on it. So, and one more thing, when you are keeping the data, once the instance is closed, this data will also get deleted. So this is how we will work on PySpark in Google Colab. Thank you.
Request you to please subscribe to this channel if you want to explore more on new gen technologies and programming languages.